For today's video, I will be teaching you how you can get Discord Nitro for free on Epic Games. If you don't have Epic Games on your laptop yet, you can open a web browser and search for Epic Games Downloader or simply Epic Games. Once you've successfully searched for Epic Games, simply search or click the first result and then click download. And then wait for a few seconds or a few minutes for Epic Games to completely download on your laptop or desktop. Once you have Epic Games, you can log into your account and using the search tab, simply search for Discord. You can also search for Discord Nitro for you to easily see if you are eligible for the free Discord Nitro on your laptop or your desktop. So here, once you've searched for Discord, simply click the Discord icon and then check if the Discord Nitro is already available. Do take note, however, that Discord Nitro is not available for free for everyone because this is being offered for I think $10 a month. As you'll see in the free Discord Nitro frequently asked questions, there are people who will be eligible for a 1 free month of Nitro, which means that you can play with the newest Nitro releases like custom color themes, super reactions, and soundboard, and many more. It's also written here that the promotion starts on May 25, 2023 and will end on June 7, 2023. The redemption of the free Discord Nitro will expire on July 7, so you still have a few days to redeem the free Nitro for a month. And that's all for this video. If this helped you, as always, don't forget to press like and subscribe.